Looking to upgrade your vessel with premium boat electronics? Here in Fort Lauderdale, we do it right. At Concord Marine Electronics, we bring over 35 years of expertise designing and installing marine systems. From sport fishers to superyachts, we install Garmin Electronic Control Units, ECU, FGHP12 for reliable autopilot performance, JL Audio Marine speakers for deck-filling sound, and full Ray Marine navigation systems for precision offshore. Every system is professionally integrated, using marine-rated wire, vibration-proof mounting, and weather-sealed connections. This isn't just about products, it's about performance. We route marine speaker wire properly, isolate zones, calibrate audio across open-air decks, and ensure your navigation, communication, and audio systems work as one. DIY installs often fail under salt, motion, and heat. That's why Fort Lauderdale boaters trust us for serious upgrades. Shop Products Electronics, then let us wire your vessel for success.